How to fix AEG E10 error code. So the E10 error code simply means it is an inlet issue where your washing machine is not filling in water at the right time, or it's filling it too slowly, or it's not reaching the right level. So what are the common causes of this issue? We have a closed tap, low water pressure, a kinked hose, a clogged inlet filter, or a faulty inlet valve. So what are the steps you could take to fix this issue? The first step is check your water supply. So ensure the water tap is running and then proceed to run a nearby test of the water tap at full blast. It should flow strongly, at least 0.5 to 8 bar per AEG specifications. If it is weaker than that, then you are going to have to check your entire home supply. Also, ensure the tap is open and running. If you have more than one tap, ensure both of them are open. If you have more than one, ensure both of them are opened. And then proceed to inspect the inlet valve. So make sure your inlet hose or valve is inspected. As you can see here, we have a kinked hose. All you need to do is just straighten it out. And then for the inlet valve, simply check at the back of your washer. You should see an inlet valve that looks like this. And then once you found them, go ahead and take them out and rinse under running warm water to remove any clog or debris. That way, the inlet filters being this, the inlet filters are cleaned and your inlet valve should be checked and inspected. So this is your inlet valve. Make sure it is checked and inspected. If there's any damage to it, go ahead and replace it. And then simply reset and test. So plug your machine back in, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then power it on and then test it again. Now, if this issue persists, go ahead and call a licensed AEG repairer to come and take a look at your machine. All right, guys. Thank you.